Well, at another park. This is my third park here in Japan. This is Nagashima Spa Land. You can really tell that I'm here. Where is it? Steel Dragon is right behind me. So, we're really here. And then right here, they're constructing a new water slide called the Mega Abyss. That's their new water slide in the water park. Alright, so they have a water park here if you didn't know. This is the Mega Mammoth that they're building, new for this year. It's a brand new water slide in the Nagashima water park. There we got Steel Dragon 2000, their Giga Coaster. There are more slide pieces laying down on the floor. And you can see right there are slide pieces for the Mega Mammoth water slide. So as I go forward, we are actually past the entrance of Nagashima, and way up ahead, way up ahead is Hakuge, which is right there. Has that steep drop and gives you that hybrid feel on it. It's built by RMC, so this is my fourth hybrid, so I can't wait to ride it. Oh, and I forgot to mention as we enter, they do offer park maps right here. You see, you just saw Steel Dragon just coming off the lift. Sorry for the... So this is the park map. It shows everything. There's English one and there's a Japanese one. I prefer to get the English one because I'm not from here, so yeah. Here's a take a look at another shot of the pieces for Mega Mammoth, their water slide for this year. So it will open eventually summer of this year. There's the water park. So just to take a look at the rest of Nagashima right here. It's kind of blurred. Sorry, my camera wasn't focusing. Here's the slide again. They're building it up there, so all these pieces are gonna go up there. And then looks like the funnel is taking shape. It is really looking fantastic. And I think this is a pool, but they're closed right now. We got the rest of Steel Dragon 2000. We got Shuttle Loop in the background. So we're on our way actually to the theme park. There's a little bit of acrobat. They're being on flyer. Excuse me. And so we're gonna go on some rides later. So we officially made it in the park. Right now we see the jet coaster, we see Steel Dragon, Space Shot, Hakuge is right there, all the way further down. So looks like a nice park so far. There are kiddie rides there too. Pirate ship. So it's a nice park so far as we entered. So we're gonna have to explore and walk more. So see you then. So there's a carousel over there, and this is a kiddie ride. So we're basically in the kiddie area, and there's swan boats over there. There's tons of attraction for little ones, and there's a pirate ship. And there's the jet coaster over there, and there's Steel Dragon 2000 right there in the background, and more kiddie rides over here, swan boats as well over there, and yeah, more kiddie rides in this area. Alright, we're actually now close to Hakuge. This will be our next ride, our first ride of the day. And I heard this is a really good hybrid coaster by RMC. By far, probably one of the best hybrids in existence right now. So we'll go check it out. But they built like other hybrids already. So like Wildcat's Revenge, Iron Gwazi and stuff. So we'll try this one and see how it is. This looks really fun to ride. So I'll see you again until, after we ride Hakuge. This is the RMC hybrid. It's about 180 feet tall. It's really high. So again, I'll see you again then. Alright, we got off this roller coaster, Hakuge. This is an Rocky Mountain Construction hybrid. By far my favorite now. Airtime is totally insane. You got a lot of ejector on this coaster. It's absolutely amazing. The first drop is totally insane. You're like, you're gonna fall out of your seat. It was crazy. The second hill after the first drop, first hill, you get some airtime. I love the inversions. You get a 0G stall and then two back-to-back 0G rolls. totally insane airtime. There are some like floater airtime on this ride too. It's like mixed floater and ejector. It's totally crazy. The turns are actually wicked. Love this coaster. So next we're gonna grab some lunch and we're gonna ride some more. Look how close we are on the shuttle loop here in Nagashima. There's still Dragon 2000. He's going down the big drop. I don't think this one's open. Shuttle loop is closed right now. I don't see it cycle. Probably this attraction is closed. But I do want to go on that aqua one first, Aquabat, before Steel Dragon 2000. So yeah, maybe they're not even open. Shuttle loop is probably not open right now. Look how close you get to the track. It's so insane. Look how big that loop is when you're up close. So you're like over here, see? And that's the shuttle loop. I think it's closed right now. I don't see people riding it. It goes up that spike right all the way up there. So totally insane. So this is our lunch today. I'm having pizza. And then we have popcorn chicken with french fries. Some mustard and ketchup. So after this we're gonna go on some rides. We only have like 2 hours here, so they're closing at 5. So here's my lunch today. Alright, we're riding Silver Star. I mean a Looping Star. That's our next ride, and we'll see you after we ride. Alright, we just got off. Looping Star, the Schwarzkopf looping coaster. So we're in now 3 Schwarzkopfs. Montezuma's Revenge, New Revolution, and now Looping Star. It was an okay ride. It's just a classic looping coaster. It's like, you know, people who go to Nagashima is probably just for, you know, that ride is probably for people's first looping coaster. The ride that goes upside down. So the rides that we didn't go on is Acrobat, Arasi, Corkscrew, Shuttle Loop. Shuttle Loop was actually closed during our visit, and Jet Coaster. We ran out of time, and we ran out of time for the kiddie coasters too. I mean, well, Children Coaster and the Jet Coaster were open, but we just are out of time. So we're gonna head on home now. So yeah. I also forgot to mention, we just got off too, Steel Dragon 2000. It was an insane giga coaster here in Japan. As you can tell, it's climbing up the lift hill. You know, you get a lot of floater airtime on this roller coaster. It's absolutely insane. And this is probably better than Millennium Force in my opinion. So Shuttle Loop is closed. You don't see it cycle through its track. But yeah, I had a good time. So yeah, so we're gonna end it right here. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.